Some simple interest problems for those who are preparing for competitive examinations and also useful for 7th class, 6th class and 8th class students also. The first problem, amount A is equal to rupees 7,920, interest is equal to rupees 720 and time T is equal to 2 years. Find the principal and the rate of interest. Here amount 7,920, interest rupees 720. Therefore, we can find out the principal. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. If we subtract interest from the total amount, we get principal. The principal P is equal to amount 7,920 minus interest 720. So if we subtract 720, we get 7,200 rupees. Then find the rate of interest also. So the formula for interest is equal to PTR by 100. Therefore, writing this right hand side in the left side and left hand side in the right side, we get PTR by 100 is equal to I, or we want rate of interest R. Therefore, R is equal to I into 100. Left side denominator lo undi, right side vaste into avutundi. Next R, we transpose P and T. So from this formula, R is equal to 100I by PT. Therefore, interest is 720 into 100 by principal we got 7,200 into time years, 2 years, T is equal to 2 years. Therefore, this is 720 ones, 720 tens. So 10 ones, 10. Therefore, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So the rate of interest R is 5%. Rate of interest is equal to 5%. So next problem, the principal P is equal to 12,000, rate is equal to 12% per annum, T is equal to 12 months. Find the interest and the amount. So as P is given, we will directly find out the interest using the formula I is equal to PTR by 100. So interest is equal to P principal 12,000 and the rate of T 12 months, we have to take it in years. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 12 months is equal to 1 year, therefore T is 1 and the rate of interest is 100. Therefore 100 ones, 2 zeros. So this is equal to 12 12s, 144 and a 0 is there. So this is 1,440. Therefore amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 12,000 plus interest is 1,440. So adding this 12,000 plus 1,000, 13,440 rupees. So amount is equal to 13,440. Find the interest and the amount. Interest is equal to 1,440 and the amount is 30,440. Next problem, rate is equal to 13% per annum. Principal is equal to rupees 70,000. Amount is equal to 1,01,500. Find the time period. Find the time period, that is T. Here, principal and amount are given. Therefore, we can calculate the interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 1,01,500 minus 70,000. Therefore, subtracting 1,01,500 minus 70,000. So this is 500. 10 minus 7, 3. So 31,000. 31,500. Interest is equal to rupees 31,500. To find the time period, we will use the formula I is equal to PTR by 100. Therefore, T is equal to 100 I by PR. That is equal to 100 I is 31,500 by P, principal 70,000 into rate of interest 13. Therefore, here 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 4 zeros cancels. 7 fours, 7 ones, 7 fours 28, 3 5, 7 fives. So 45 by 13. 13 threes, 39, 6 by 13. In how many years a certain sum becomes triple itself at 12% per annum? Let the sum, that is the principal, is equal to P itself. Principal is equal to P. Then amount is equal to, it triples. The principal triples itself in a certain time. So amount is equal to 3P. Number of years, that is time, is equal to X, or say X years. Rate of interest 12% per annum. Rate of interest is equal to 12% per annum. We know that I is equal to PTR by 100. From this, T is equal to 100 I by PR. We use this formula. 100 I by PR. T is 100 I by PR. We use this formula. 100 I by PR. T is equal to 100 I by PR. Here interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is equal to 3P. Principal is P. Therefore 3P minus P, 2P. So this is equal to 100 into 2P by P, R, rate of interest 12. So P gets cancelled. So 2 ones, 2, 6, 12. So 100 by, this is rate of interest, 100 by 6. 100 by 6. 100 by 6, simplifying, 6 1 6, 40 0, 6 6 36, 4 remains. So 16 4 by 6, or 16 2 by 3. Yes. So in 16 2 by 3 years, the amount becomes triple itself. Problem. A certain sum becomes double in 3 years. Find the rate of interest. The sum, that is the principal, becomes double in 3 years. So amount is equal to double, 2. Time is equal to 3 years. Here interest is equal to, interest I is equal to amount minus P. Amount 2P minus principal P itself. 2P minus P is 1P. P. Find the rate of interest. So we use this formula I is equal to PTR by 100, implies R is equal to 100 I by 100 I by PT. That is equal to 100 into I, interest is equal to P by P into T. Time is equal to 3 years. Therefore, P gets cancelled. This is 100 by 3%. Rate of interest is equal to 100 by 3%, or this is 33 1 by 3%.